Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is what a 46-year-old eats to keep a flat stomach. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I ate on this day, and I also have some clips from my workout as well. So I generally am working out twice a week at the gym doing strength training, and twice a week I'm doing a run. So this is obviously a strength training workout. My first set was max reps pull-ups, and these were nice and controlled. I think I did around 17 pull-ups when I go nice and controlled. That's about the most I can do in a single set. And I only do about 6 sets for my workout. So I'll do a pull, a push, a leg, and then I'll do a pull, a push, a leg. So two sets of each pull, push, leg. And I do rest about, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes in between each set, so that way I'm nice and recovered for the next set. So my second thing I did was push-ups, max reps, and I did around 36 push-ups during my first round. And then the third thing I did was jump squats, and I'll generally do 40 to 50 jump squats. Now my workouts are at 11 a.m. fasted, so I just drink water throughout the morning. And I do intermittent fast, so at my first meal, I don't get hungry until after my workout. So about 1 o'clock, around 12 or 1 o'clock is when I had my first meal on this day. So I started my first meal at 1 p.m. with a bowl of navel oranges, and I've been getting these from Trader Joe's. They're absolutely delicious. So if you have a Trader Joe's, go get the navel oranges. And then a little while after that, I made a smoothie. This had 3 dates. It had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I had a sprinkle of cinnamon, I had about a tablespoon of all-natural peanut butter, and I had 5 frozen ripe bananas. Now with my bananas, I freeze them with the peel on, and then I defrost them in hot water for about 4 minutes, and they come right out the peel. And I do it this way because I like the consistency of the bananas better than instead of just taking them out the peel and freezing them. I like to freeze them with the peel on, so try that out. This is a great combination. I also put in a splash of almond milk as well. This is a really good smoothie that I make. I have smoothies quite often, and I use a lot of different variations, and this is just one of the good ones, so try it out and let me know what you think of this. Then at 6 p.m., I had an appetizer just before dinner, a bowl of strawberries, some prunes, and some pumpkin seeds. Then at 7 p.m., I had a bowl of this cashew-based potato broccoli soup. It was dairy-free, and a couple slices of this homemade sourdough bread with some Earth Balance. And then for dessert, I had one of these Nellie's bars. It's like kind of a healthier candy bar with peanut butter and quinoa and dark chocolate. And that was it. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box. I have some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.